Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So yes, today I wanted to film. I'm still on quarantine and whatnot in my area, so why not film? Why not knock out videos? Yeah, why not? So I have the ABH Norvina collection. I have it in volume 3. This is it. Let me try to get this open. It is such weird how to get this open, y'all. Okay, so this is the palette. Y'all see it? Nice. Comes with a mirror. My dirty hands got all on it, y'all. But yeah, this is the palette. So I'm gonna jump into the palette. So if you want to see how the looks turn out and how I got the look, keep on watching. Okay, so I have my eyes primed. I am going to dip in the color A1, which is the shade right here. I'm going to apply that right in here. So I'm going to apply all that and then I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade A4, which is right here. I'm just going to put that like right here, kind of like between. I'm not going to put it in the crease, but I'm going to put like it above it. I just want to make this green stand out more. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll be right back. Which one? This one? I already used that one. That was my first shade. Alright, so I applied that green. Next, I'm going to go in with E1, which is this shade right here. I'm just going to put that in my crease. I want to darken it up. Logan, you're in the camera. So yeah, I'm just going to add that right in here. Alright, so I applied the color to my lid. Next, I'm about to go in and cut my crease. So next I am going to go in with my lid colors. I am going to go in with this color, and this color. No, yeah, this color. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to blend it out with this shade. So that's probably going to be like a speed through. Next, I'm all done. I'm about to go in with a dramatic eyeliner. So yeah, I'll be right back. And then I'm going to have my eyelashes on. Next, I'm about to do my foundation and then I'll be right back. Hey y'all, I took the wig off so I can do my foundation. But yeah, I did my face. Now I'm about to go in with E1, which is this shade. I'm going to put that under my eye. And I'm just gonna kind of like do like a smoke out effect. Can't y'all see that green underneath there? Popping. Next, I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner by Stella. That's all done. Next, I am going to go in with my fave. All right, I'll be right back. All right, loves, I am back. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. So once again, this is the ABH Novina collection. I have this in the volume 3. This palette is popping. Yes. So yeah, about the palette, I do like this palette. I plan on getting others. It is $60, so it's gonna be slowly but surely. But anyway, yeah, I love this palette. Look at the colors, y'all. I cannot wait to wear this palette in the summer. It is so nice to me, and plus it has weight to it and all that, so it just screams expensive. So yeah, I don't have any cons with this palette. I liked it how the colors showed up and all that. I liked how the shimmers worked on my eyes. As you can see, I liked how the mattes worked. I just like it. So I cannot wait to try the other palettes. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, loves.